How much does a cat sleep a day? Anywhere from 16 to 20 hours a day, typically. For very young and very old cats, it's near the upper end of the range, and newborns sleep almost 24/7. While cats do spend at least 2/3 of their lives asleep, they're not asleep in quite the same way humans are. What kind of alcohol is in beer? An alcoholic beverage is a drink that typically contains 3% to 40% alcohol, ethanol. Alcoholic beverages are divided into 3 classes: beers, wines, and spirits, distilled beverages. How high is the top of the atmosphere? Earth's atmosphere is about 300 miles, 480 kilometers thick, but most of it is within 10 miles, 16 kilometers, the surface. Air pressure decreases with altitude. At sea level, air pressure is about 14.7 pounds per square inch, 1 kilogram per square centimeter. What causes a double rainbow? Secondary rainbows are caused by a double reflection of sunlight inside the raindrops, and appear 10 degrees outside of the primary rainbow at an angle of 50 to 53 degrees. As a result of the second reflection, the colors of a secondary rainbow are inverted compared to the primary bow, with blue on the outside and red on the inside. How does a lunar eclipse occur? Solar and lunar eclipses are dependent on the alignment of the Sun, Moon and Earth. When the Moon is aligned exactly between the Earth and the Sun, the shadow of the Moon blocks the Sun from view. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes into the shadow of the Earth. Is a cashew a nut or seed? The true fruit of the cashew tree is a kidney or boxing glove-shaped drupe that grows at the end of the cashew apple. The drupe develops first on the tree, and then the pedicel expands to become the cashew apple. Within the true fruit is a single seed, the cashew nut. Why does the Moon control the tides? The tides are due to the gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun on the Earth. Because the gravitational force decreases as the distance squared, the part of the Earth that is closer to the Moon or the Sun is pulled a little extra and a bulge is created. Are clouds made up of liquid or gas? Clouds, snow, and rain are all made up of some form of water. A cloud is comprised of tiny water droplets and/or ice crystals. A snowflake is an aggregate of many ice crystals, and rain is just liquid water. Water existing as a gas is called water vapor. Do water and ice weigh the same? The ice cup will weigh the same as when it was in liquid form, but the volume of ice in the cup will be larger than what it was in liquid form. This is because when ice crystallizes into its hexagonal structure, the water molecules are farther apart than when they are in the liquid state. Why are the nuclei of some atoms unstable? In some atoms the binding energy is not strong enough to hold the nucleus together, and the nuclei of these atoms are said to be unstable. Unstable atoms will lose neutrons and protons as they attempt to become stable. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates from Rabytfox Insight.